guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is an unboxing and it is Glossybox. You're very excited. This is the November box. This is my birthday box because it's my birthday on Saturday on the 9th. I'm very excited about the box and about my birthday. For those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a monthly beauty box subscription. I'll link all the details down below for you guys. It is £10 plus postage and packaging. I do have a discount code, which I'll put somewhere for you. But yeah, let's just get in it. This is sent to me in PR. Thank you very much, Glossybox. Love ya. But all opinions are my own, because when I lie, apparently I do this. So yeah, let's get in it. If you're wondering why I'm wiggling, it's because I'm rocking a baby down here. Multitasking mummy to the max. I'm in the kitchen as well, just because the light in my bedroom is crap and it's quite nice bright light in here. So yeah, we are back to the traditional box, the pink with the black, very pretty. And let's get it. Oh, I already love the little leaflet that tells you about it. I'm not going to look inside yet. I'm going to open it first. I will quickly tell you the sneak peek, because I forget every single month to tell you the sneak peek and everybody is just like, what is the sneak peek? So December's one is we're ending 2019 with a bang, filled with 5 full-size radiance boosting products. Our special design December box will glow, keep you glowing from head to toe this festive season. You'll receive a range of nourishing skincare, shimmery makeup, including a multi-purpose loose pigment powder for your eyes and cheekbones. So it's a Steve Laurent and it looks like kind of like a highlightery kind of doodad. So that's lovely. Oh, I just love autumn. This is just like my favourite time of year. So yeah, let's just jump in. This is the box. And then we'll open it and have a little look and see what it says. Okay, hey Glossies, slip on your snuggiest isn't a word, Lucy, snuggest jumpers and fluffiest socks, because we're getting in the mood for a roaring fire, spiced latte, sizzling sparklers and cozy nights in. Our winter warmers edit is filled with enriching lotions, nourishing hair care, shimmering cosmetics and an extra treat that will seriously warm things up November. We've also partnered with Remington this month to introduce you to their new Curl and Straight Confidence hair dryer. Ooh! If you find a golden ticket inside your box, you'll be the lucky winner. That's very exciting, because they did do the Remington Curl and Straight straightener, which I will link. I got one, it's like a demonstration thing, and they gave away 50 of them. And it's literally replaced my other straighteners. I love it. So yeah, that's exciting. Let's just jump in. The first thing, oh, it's Rituals. Oh, it's Rose. It's Rose. I hate Rose. Let's have a look. So Rituals, I have got a hand cream from Rituals as well, which is like cherry blossom and almond or something, which is amazing. It says, when the cold weather hits, there's nothing more essential than moisturising hand cream. Luckily for you, this luxurious hand balm is specifically formulated to treat dry and cracked skin. It blends sweet almond oil with Indian rose to soften and nourish your hand. Simply massage a pea-sized amount into your skin and cuticles. Full size, and it's worth £9.90. I won't open it because it is rose, so it will just go into a giveaway. Oh no, it isn't. It hasn't got the sealy thing on it, but I'm not going to squeeze it. Yeah, I can smell rose. So that's going to go into a giveaway, which is happening. I think I'm going to do it next week. I think it's just if I get time, because of this little fart baby on the floor who's just giving me death stares because I'm not picking him up. Yeah, next up. Oh, we've got a Hask coconut oil nourishing shine hair oil. So it's a funny little bottle. I've used their hair masks before and I really love them. So let's have a look and see what it says about this. You receive 1 of 3 of these. So this is full size and it's £2.49. Give your tresses the extra nourishing boost they need this winter. Lightweight and alcohol free, this hair oil absorbs instantly and provides a beautiful shine with no oily residue. You'll receive either nourishing coconut oil that hydrates and softens, a smoothing keratin oil that smooths and reduces frizz, or a repairing argan oil that restores dry damaged hair. Apply onto damp hair from mid to ends. That's very exciting. Next up is a Cetaphil. I don't think I pronounced that right. Cetaphil. I'm knowing, that's how I think you say This is a deluxe mini gentle skin cleanser. This is worth £1.10, full size is £8.99. Did you know that the winter chill weakens your skin barrier, causing sensitivity, dryness and irritation? This gentle cleanser removes makeup, dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Massage a pea-sized amount onto your face and then rinse with warm water. So that's a nice little cleanser. That'd be a good one to do because it's like a little travel size. That'd be quite nice to take if you're going anywhere fancy. Not that I ever go anywhere other than to stay at my mother-in-law's because I've got 3 babies and we have no money. Anyway, so next up we've got Mud Masky. I love these. They're after mask serum. It's so nice. But this is a leave-on winter mask. This is full size and it's worth £43.50, which is redonkulonk. That's ridiculous. 43 quid. With autumn drawing to a close, it's time to trade in your lightweight hydrator for this rich moisturising mask. It not only creates an invisible shield on the skin for your complexion, protecting it from blustery weather, it also repairs and nourishes dry, cracked and flaking skin. Apply a thin layer onto your face after cleansing and you'll have healthy, moisturised skin despite the cold. So that's lovely. I'll definitely give that a go tonight because it is starting to get a little bit chilly. And what are you? Oh, it's teas. These are extra treats and this is off black fruit tea. Nothing beats a warming hot drink on a cold November night. That's why we're treating you to 2 delicious fruit teas, spicy orange and ginger black tea plus a forest, fruits and ginger. Simply infuse your tea bag into boiling water for at least 3 minutes. Full size, like I'm assuming like a full box is £9.98. Are these caffeine free? Oh, this is high caffeine. So I can't have the spicy orange one, so that will go into a giveaway. But the forest fruit and ginger one is 0 caffeine, so I can have that one. I'm not allowed caffeine anymore, which is just no fun when you have a newborn who does not like to sleep. So yeah, they're lovely. I love the packaging, they're really pretty. I'm excited to try that one. I'll put that on my Insta stories at some point. And then the last thing, oh, what are you? Candy Cosmetics. I'm like, well, it's just a white box. It's not really that exciting to show you that bit. Glow Up Primer and Setting Spray. I just choked on some spit. Crumbs. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look. It's like unicorny. Look. Can you see it? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I could watch that all day. That is so pretty. Look at that. Love it. Right, let's read about it. Forget dull winter skin. This 2-in-1 shimmering primer and setting spray will keep you glowing all season long. Spritz it onto your cleansed face before applying your foundation for a natural lit from within glow, or use it to set your makeup for an iridescent finish. You can also spray over your whole body to look like a shimmery goddess. Just shake well. Full size, worth £20. Let's have a little look. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It looks like Fenty do one, don't they? Oh, it's so pretty. Like mesmerised by it. Oh, it's a nice mist. Does it really? Does it smell? I'm just gonna spray it on my face. It smells, I won't lie, it smells a bit plasticky, but it feels nice. Let's put more on. You just spray it on my hand and see what it actually looks like. Do I look glowy? I look sweaty. I haven't actually got any makeup on, so. Oh, it is a little bit. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna, I might just have to rub that in a little bit because it's 8:10 in the morning. I'm going on the school run in a minute and I don't want, oh, it is quite shimmery. May have been an error on my part to put that much on. Yeah, it's just glitter. Very pretty, but potentially not my best idea before the school run. Anyway, it's fine. Yeah, well, I'm very excited about that. I will definitely use this underneath makeup, I think, or if I'm going out rather than just, yeah, That's just full on glitter. I like it, but don't spray it if you're on the school run unless you want to look very shimmery. Oh, it's everywhere. Yeah, I love it. I really like that. The only thing I can't use, is the tea because of the caffeine, and I won't use because of the rose, is that. But Rituals hand creams are amazing. So if you love the smell of rose, then you are in for a treat, because I just like anything by Rituals, to be fair. So yeah, that was the November Glossybox. I thought that was wonderful. Yeah, I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, and there is going to be a giveaway soon, I promise. It's just getting my ass into gear and sorting it out and making sure I've got everything whilst looking after the babies. Ben's off next week for the whole week, so hopefully I'll be able to have time to sort it out and get it done then. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. That would be amazeballs, and I would love you forever. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button, because why not? I'm taking the silence that you are actually pressing the subscribe button. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.